Hi, in front of me is Huawei Honor 20 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Start by opening Play Store and typing LED keyboard. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it and tap on Get Started. Then click OK, tap on the switcher next to LED keyboard, tap OK again, choose Input Options and select LED keyboard one more time. Over here you can pick theme that you like the best by clicking on it. Now close an ad and choose Download theme. After that, when I go back, I can see that my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!